I'm going to pull a fire alarm and make everyone shocked. I'm so out of here.
Rosie, did you have a good day at school today?
Yes.
Let's watch the news.
Hello, and welcome to GNN News. That girl with orange hair, blue dress and shoes pulled the fire alarm. That's the girl who pulled the fire alarm.
Well, I'm standing in front of the school right now. I heard that very loud fire alarm and saw the girl running out of the school. Wait, I know who did it. It's Rosie. Rosie, you are so going to pay for this. Rosie, if you are watching that, you should get grounded by your parents.
That brat deserves to be in trouble and getting arrested. That's the end of GNN News.
Rosie, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You could get arrested from that. Girl. That's it. You are so... Grounded for 1 4 5 3 6 7 4 4 5 6 3 8 3 5 3 8 3 6 5 years. Go to bed now.
That's the end of another Rosie Gets Grounded video. Please request me some more Rosie Gets Grounded videos, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye. See you again in the next video.